In the last episode, we covered connecting Azure DevOps to your Walnut AI project, mapping Azure boards and work item types, verifying the connection, and testing the sync. In this episode, we'll cover connecting your Figma workspace to a Walnut AI project, browsing and selecting Figma designs inside Walnut, how Figma designs are used in Intelligence Hub. Let's get into it. Before you can connect Figma to Walnut AI, you need a personal access token from your Figma account. This is how Walnut AI authenticates with Figma on your behalf. Log into Figma. Select your profile icon in the top left corner and open Settings. From there, navigate to the Security tab and scroll down to Personal Access Tokens. Select Add New Token and give it a recognizable name, something like Walnut AI. Set the access level to all permissions, then select Create Token. Your token will appear on screen. Copy it immediately. Figma will not show it again once you navigate away. Keep it somewhere safe for the next step. You'll also need your Figma team ID. In Figma, navigate to your team in the left-hand panel. Take a look at the URL in your browser. It will contain figma.com/files/team, followed by a string of numbers. That number string is your team ID. Copy it and keep it handy alongside your access token. Now let's bring it all together. In Walnut AI, open an existing project or create a new one and navigate to External Data and Connections. From the Connect External Tools options, select Figma. Enter your Figma personal access token in the field provided and save the connection. That's it. Figma is now connected to your Walnut AI project and ready to use inside Intelligence Hub. With Figma connected, let's bring your designs in. Open the Intelligence Hub inside your project and select the link icon from the input options. From the drop-down, choose Figma. This opens the Figma import screen, where you'll work through 4 fields in sequence: Team, Project, File, and Page. Start by entering your Figma team ID. Once the team ID is recognized, the project drop-down unlocks. Select the project your design belongs to. Once a project is selected, the file drop-down unlocks. Choose the specific Figma file you want to work with. Then select the page within that file. With all 4 fields filled in, select Choose Frames. You'll see a visual preview of every frame on that page, each one shown as a thumbnail of the actual design. Browse through and select the frames you want to generate from. Once you've made your selection, confirm it to move on. After confirming your selection, Walnut AI's AI gets to work analyzing the frames. By default, the Output tab is set to User Stories. The AI generates requirements in a full hierarchy. Epics at the top, broken down into features, each feature broken down into individual user stories. Everything is structured and traceable from the moment it's created. Once your user stories are generated, you can generate test cases from them directly, so your test coverage starts from the design, not from development. If you'd prefer to skip requirements entirely and go straight to test cases, switch the Output tab from User Stories to Test Cases before generating. The AI will produce test cases directly from the design frames. Either way, generated requirements land in your project's action items, and test cases land in test cases. That's the Figma integration, connecting your workspace, selecting your design frames inside Intelligence Hub, and generating requirements and test cases directly from your design. In the next episode, we'll learn how to connect your code repository to Walnut AI, how to work with connected repositories, how Walnut AI can generate requirements directly from your codebase using AI. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop any questions in the comments.